Guys, this day long classics, and today we are working on the 1962 convertible Nova. And so far what we have done is drop the rear. As you see, drop the rear. And right now what he is doing is my dad, he's cutting out what's it called? He's cutting out spots that are rust spots and repairing them with the welding machine by welding metal. And we actually took the motor out of the car as well. Good. Oh, it's actually tied down right now, but we took the motor out as well. Now he's just welding metal to the holes. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Read it. That right there was a hole. It was a big hole, and he welded that with a piece of metal. And then we go around. And then I don't know if you guys see it. On the other side, it was the same hole. So now he's working on the back fender, the inside, welding metal. And yeah, it's basically what we have been doing so far. Trying to get the welder working.
Trying to get a ground.
Trying to get a ground. Okay guys, we will see you next time in the next video. Like, subscribe, and comment other videos, and we're out. Short clip of him welding.
Ooh, I gotta put that jacket on. I got a cord up in or something?
Oh yeah, just wondering.